Nachos Group back here on the channel. Thanks for following us. If you haven't seen one of our videos before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. So today we're here with Jimmy. He is a union plumber. He's working all over Chicagoland, constantly in odd positions, helping us out with our water. So Jimmy's coming in, or he came in before for some lower back pain. This was a while ago. Now Jimmy's at the point now where he's just maintaining his spinal health and essentially preventing him from getting any type of discomfort. Because again, anyone that's a carpenter, electrician, plumber, a union contractor, you guys are constantly bending, lifting, and moving, and kind of go from there. So we're just gonna have Jimmy kind of explain a little bit about what happens with work and how he has some discomforts, and how when he comes in and gets adjusted to treatment, what we kind of do from there. So Jimmy, just tell the viewers a little bit about what we do.
Yeah, so I mean, all day, every day, I'm lifting heavy pipe at work and constant bending over and picking up. It's hard to keep good form all the time, so you know, I come here and every time a little discomfort, and just relieves the pain.
Yeah, so Jimmy's essentially at the point now we're just maintaining, correcting, and preventing any issues from coming back. So we'll go through Jimmy's adjustment, a little bit of therapy for him, and then we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, so Jimmy, you can go ahead and lay chest down for me. First thing we're gonna do, again, just warm up these muscles. What Jimmy forgot to tell you guys is that he is a semi-pro softball player. So he's constantly not just working as a union plumber, but he's also on his weekends and his days during the week. He plays in a pretty competitive softball league. So he's a real good athlete, keeps himself in shape. And so again, we just want to make sure that that spine is in proper mobility. That way, again, if he is lifting pipe all day, he doesn't get himself in a pinch where he can't work anymore and then he's out of a job. So our goal is to make sure that Jimmy's motor, which would be his body, is essentially running at 100%. That way he doesn't have any problems. Good. 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 This side up for you, Jim? Perfect, perfect, good. Awesome. Perfect, good. Get Jimmy's neck adjusted here. Good, chin you to the right a little bit. Woo! Perfect job, Jimmy. All right. Awesome. All right, guys, so make sure you follow us, like us on Facebook, YouTube. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Follow links above us. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.